Hey friends, so building a business online that merges both health and wealth is so good when you have an invitation down that you send out to people, and their response is typically almost every single time one of two. First one is, yes, sounds good, send me the information. Or if it's not that, it's no thanks, but hey, thanks for thinking of me. So when you have an invitation down like that, that is so good that that's one of the two responses that you almost always get. You know you got something really good, and that building a business and making money online in maybe 5, 10, 20 minutes a day is going to be something that's going to work out, and it's going to be something that's fun and very meaningful, and maybe set you up for a life of some financial freedom at some point in the future where you emerge this free human being that can walk away from your job or keep it. But the point is, you'd have that option as a result of connecting people to something that's going to help them get healthy in a long-lasting, meaningful way. And so you're merging health and wealth. So I've been doing this since the year 2007, August of 2007. So it's been a very long time, and that's why I've got an invitation down that is so good. It's almost always one of two responses I get. And it doesn't matter what your opportunity is when you're inviting people to look at something for their consideration to see if it would be a good fit for them. That is the biggest thing, in my opinion. It's how you invite and share with people the information about your deal. So on that note, for those of you that are interested to see what I've been doing, and even the invitation that I use that gets that kind of response, feel free to ask me about it. Just private message me. My coach did a video. I've got videos. I'll show you a video that presents the whole thing, and you can get the information for your consideration. And if it turns you on and makes you all giddy-like, then we'll do this. And it'll be good from there. It'll be all uphill from there, I suppose. Well, if you want to share this video, please go for it. And I will hear from some of you soon. Bye for now.